Hi, friend. I'm happy to see you in class. Now, we have a question to solve. 20 divided by 4 times 5. How do we go about it? We apply BODMAS. We apply BODMAS. What is BODMAS? BODMAS is an order of operation that solves numeracy problem accurately. B stands for brackets. O stands for exponents or squares, and that's top. Then D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and A stands for addition, while S is for subtraction. Now, if you have any numeracy problem having brackets, it is that bracket you solve first in the group. Then, if it is this one, exponent, or we call it square or related character, that is what we solve first. So that is just the order of operation. Now, we do not have brackets in this question. We do not have exponent, that is square. We have division. So division is what we are solving here first. 20 divided by 4 will give us what? We know that 4 will divide 20 because 20 is greater than 4. So 4 divides 20 5 times. And we are going to solve the next. We already have this. What follows? We have multiplication, and there is multiplication here as we have it in BODMAS, the order of operation. So we say this 5, which is the result of 20 divided by 4, multiply 5, which is the next number to solve. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. And that's our answer. Now you solve this. You solve this. Let's say 18 divided by 6 times 3 equals what? These are the options. A says 0. B says none. While C says 18. So, bye.